And me, welcome to my YouTube channel, My Magic Apron. Today I'll be making Amritsari Chole. For that we will need 1 cup of chole, and after you soak it for around 3 to 4 hours, it will look like this. And right now we will be needing very limited things to make it, and the things we'll be needing is 1 tablespoon of tea or dalchini, whatever you can say it. Then we need 4 to 5 cloves, and we'll need 1 badi ilaichi, 2 choti ilaichi, and we'll need some bay leaf or tej patta. And the process is, I'll just show you. We just need to take 1 muslin cloth like this, and we'll transfer everything on this. Now we'll make a potli like this. You can make 1 knot or you can make 2 knots if you want. You can make a bar. We'll need cooker, and we'll be transferring all the soaked chickpeas or chana into the cooker. And the chickpeas needs to be just submerged in water. You don't have to fill the whole cooker with this. If you are using 1 cup of chickpeas or chole, you can use 4 cups of water. And you just need to just throw this potli inside, which you made, and we'll be adding 1 tablespoon of salt in this as well. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. And now the most important thing, we have to burn the gas. If you don't do it, nothing will happen. Now once the cooker is closed, we have to keep it on high flame, and it should be at least 3 to 4 whistles. Alright. Once the choles are cooked, you will be needing to make a gravy, for which you can use 2 to 3 onions and 2 tomatoes. Then you will be needing salt, 1 tablespoon salt, little bit of chana powder or chana masala powder. If you don't have it, you can skip it, you don't need it as much. You need dhania powder. You need little bit of haldi. It is not for taste, it is only, it will give rich color to it. And then you will need 1 tablespoon of chili, or it depends on you how spicy you want it to be. So let's make the gravy. So after about 3 to 4 whistles, your chole will look like this, and you can see it's hot, but it's mushy. Now what you need to do is, you just need to take this out because its work is done, and you don't have to throw that water. We will be using that in our gravy to make it look like Amritsari chole. So I've made the puree out of the tomato, and I have chopped this onion with a chopper. If you don't have chopper, you can grind it in your mixer, or you can use kaddukas to do it. So to make the gravy, I have heated my kadai, and normally I don't want to use oil or sarson ka tel. I use desi ghee. So it depends on you, whatever your taste like. You can use refined oil, or you can use ghee. I use ghee. So once the ghee is heated, then the first thing you need to put, that will be onions, the pyaz, and we have to roast it for at least 3 to 4 minutes till it is brown. Okay. Okay. Now as you can see that onions are golden brown. Now I'll be putting in the puree, the tomato puree which we made. You don't have to burn the onions. Okay. भूकंप आ गया. So guys, this is my first video, so I'm a bit conscious about things. मैं कभी कभी हिंदी भी बोल दूंगा, कभी पंजाबी भी बोल दूंगा, तो फिर आप ही देख लो. हाँ, ओके. तो खाते हैं और इन्हों भी थोड़ा उबालना है, थोड़ा 5 मिनट मैक्सिमम. और उसके बाद फिर आप अपने मसाले पावांगे. ओके. नाउ यू कैन सी कि ये अलग हो गया है और टमाटर और प्याज अलग हो गए हैं. नाउ we'll be putting in rest of the masalas or spices. ये सारे आप एक साथ डाल सकते हो. You don't have to wait. नमक आप देख लेना क्योंकि ऑलरेडी चने में नमक मैंने डाला था पहले. So it depends on you how salty you want or how spicy you want. So we can put everything at one go. And one more thing, if you want to put ginger garlic paste, you can do it. I'm not putting it because I don't want to. तो ये आपके टेस्ट के ऊपर है. अगर आपने डालना है आप डाल सकते हो. इसमें हल्का सा पानी डालेंगे और 30 सेकंड से 35 सेकंड या 1 मिनट तक आप भून लेना है इसको, बिकॉज मसाले जलने नहीं चाहिए. इसको आप भूनते रहें थोड़ी देर और इसके बाद हम इसमें चने ऐड करेंगे. Now we are adding the chana which we cooked earlier. निकल जा यार, ये एक दो ना कुकर के अंदर ही रह जाता है. हाँ, खाली हो गया. Okay, let's do it now. See, it's not that hard to do it. Only you just have to try. Once you try, it will work. और ऐसे खड़े खड़े नहीं होने चाहिए चने. इनको थोड़ा सा आप दबाओगे तो थोड़े से मैश करना पड़ेगा इसको अमृतसरी बनाने के लिए. अगर ये खड़े खड़े रह जाएंगे तो ये पिंडी चना बन जाएगा. नाउ यू कैन सी द कलर. बाहर जाके छोले भटूरे खाने की जरूरत नहीं है. भटूरे आप ले आओ, छोले घर पे बना लो. वैसे मैं भटूरे बनाने की रेसिपी बताऊंगा आपको, बट एज इट इज माई फर्स्ट वन, सो आई विल बी नीडिंग योर फीडबैक अ लॉट एंड कमेंट्स अगर आपको कुछ और खाना है तो. सो गिव इट रेस्ट ऑफ अराउंड 5 मिनट्स, 5 to 6 मिनट्स इसको पकाओ और उसके बाद इसका तड़का लगाएंगे. बहुत मामूली सा तड़का है, जस्ट टू गिव इट वो बाहर वाले हलवाई वाले छोले भटूरे के जैसे. नाउ वो जो मैंने तड़का बताया था, अभी हम तड़का लगाएंगे. एंड अगेन वी विल नीड घी, थोड़ा सा घी, थोड़ा सा मतलब 2 चम्मच, यू कैन 2-3. जब ये गर्म हो जाएगी इसमें हम डालेंगे चिली. और चिली हमें ध्यान से डालनी है, हमें काट के डालनी है. नहीं तो अगर इसने आपने पूरी अगर डाल दी वैसे ही तो आपको चोट लग जाएगी. बस अभी और कुछ नहीं करना है. There you go, your बाहर वाले छोले और अमृतसरी छोले. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share the video as much as possible. This was my first video, so I'll be needing a lot of feedback, and if you want to know any new recipes, you can use the comment section to tell me. I will try and do that for you.